Gripple, a manufacturer of wire joiners and tension systems for agriculture and suspension solutions for construction. A global business, but one with a strong presence in its South Yorkshire steelland home of Sheffield, in the shape of 6 local factories. Recognised by manufacturing peers and by us at the manufacturer for excellence in the leadership and strategy category of the Manufacturer MX Awards.
We've got a great strategy, which is different to a lot of other businesses in that it's embedded on core foundation of innovation, leadership, environment, and people and culture. We've got a strategy for developing and implementing, the culture.
And it's a culture largely informed and driven by people. Gripple is an entirely employee-owned company, which was formalised in 2011 when the employee ownership model Glide was established.
It allows us to be custodians, it protects the business. We're not a business that's ever going to be sold or, bought by a bigger fish. We will always be in charge of our own destiny. It's instilled a culture which is about innovation, continuously developing what we do, whether that be innovation in new products, in processes, in the way we set up the business. So it encourages that culture of challenge, but also means that we all work for each other in the right way. I think it's about us having without sounding too fluffy, a higher purpose. It gives us another reason for, not just coming to work in the day-to-day, but looking after something which directly impacts us all.
In spite of the challenges brought on by the global pandemic, in spite of the ever-turning cogs of change and developments in manufacturing technology, values, standards, and culture has been clung to.
A lot of businesses may say they have a culture, and it might exist, in some way, shape or form, but here it's almost a feeling that we can put up on the board. Those values aren't something that we trot out at an annual convention, they are everywhere, all walls on every site kind of thing. Everybody's just able to challenge and to understand what they look like in practice, which I think is the important thing, really.
If I look across all the factories, we have a heavy reliance on people being involved from the ground up in making improvements. It's the guys on the shop floor who run those machines and drive all the improvements. They need to be involved in doing so. Fundamentally, you've got to have the people who know the machines, know where the data's coming from. They're pivotal in getting the right answers.
Finding answers to the persisting problems within the industry is tough, but with people on board, getting to grips feels easier at Gripple.